Clean Up Nigeria, an initiative of Young African Leaders Initiative YALI Network, organized a stakeholders meeting and training of volunteers for cleaner cities and area citizens. The campaign, which kicked off in the state on 10th February 2021, was meant to enlighten the public on the values of recycling for cleaner environment. Addressing the stakeholders and volunteers, the Oyo State Governor, represented by his Special Advisor on Environment, Engineer Ademola Adenito, described the campaign as a move to start off a revolution in the change of mindset of the people towards a cleaner environment. Commending the facilitators and participants for their zeal towards making a difference, the state governor promised that government would not relent on its effort towards a cleaner environment.
With these people coming around with YALI, Mandela Washington Foundation, all of them coming together to say they want to bring out a selfless campaign to clean up Oyo State. And in fact, it's not just to clean up Oyo State, to clean up Nigeria. We have a future setting for Nigeria. This is what Oyo State has been waiting for.
Delivering his remarks, the project leader, Mr. Gbenga Gumbawale, said no sustainable environment can be built in a dirty environment.
The whole goal is that we really want to show people that waste can become wealth, and more importantly, to keep our cities safe, to keep our cities free of dirt. And so that's the whole idea of this campaign, to birth a new Nigeria, to birth a new consciousness in Nigerians, so that we can treat waste responsibly and achieve healthier environment and healthier cities.
As part of efforts to inspire and educate every Nigerian in promoting cleaner environment, the occasion showcased beautiful products made from plastic, tires, and polythene waste.
One or two touches to different waste that we pick around, and we turn them to bespoke products like this that you can have for your home decorations, for your office decorations, and you can even also have as accessories. This, for example, is what we call plastic ottoman. It is made from plastic bottle waste, and this, as you can see, is from condemned tire.
Also, as part of the training for the volunteers, the Clean Up Nigerian team demonstrated their zeal to clean up the state. The campaign team also pledged its commitment towards working with the state government and relevant stakeholders to achieve and sustain a cleaner environment across the state. Benga Adeshui, BCOS News.